Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel EduKarthik, and in today's video we are going to start with exercise 7.2. So in previous video I have done 7.1 exercise, and that too has been done in total 3 parts. So this exercise has in total 8 questions. So this exercise will also be done in 3 videos. So this is the first part and I will be doing this exercise. So this is first question and there is no figure drawn, as in question also there is no figure, but we have to draw figure ourselves. So let's see. ABC is isosceles triangle. Okay, so I'm drawing an isosceles triangle. Okay. And actually it is also given that this ABC, AB equals to AC. AB equals to AC. Uh, The bisectors of angle B and C intersect each other at point O. Okay, so here is point O, and we could draw this A because it is given that join A with the point O. Now we have to prove these two things. OB equals to OC and AO bisects angle A. So let's start. So firstly let these two angles be X, because these are equal, and these be Y, and X. So what we have to do? We have to prove these two lines equal. So firstly, AB equals to AC. AB equals to AC. Now we know a property that equal sides have equal angle opposite to them. In bracket we write, since equal sides have equal angles opposite to them. Okay, so since equal sides have equal angle opposite to them, 2x will be equals to 2y. Beautiful cutting. X equals to y. Now x equals to y. We again know that equal angles have equal sides opposite to them. Equal angles have equal sides opposite to them. Since equal angles have equal sides opposite to them, now we'll write x opposite is OC and y opposite is OB. OB equals to OC. Hence proved. Instead of writing hence proved, just leave it like that. Okay. Now part 2 we'll do. Here write part 1. Now part 2. We have to prove AO bisects angle A. So we'll write in triangle AOB and AOC. AOB and triangle AOC. And triangle AOB and AOC. Firstly, AB equals to AC. And here we write given. Already given. Now, we write OB equals to OC. OB equals OC. OB equals OC. And here, already proved. Now, at last, OA equals to AO. And in bracket, a common side. Okay. Therefore, by SSS congruency, rule, SSS congruency rule, we can say that triangle AOB equals to triangle AOC. Triangle AOB, we can say equal to or congruent to triangle AOC. Now AOB and AOC are congruent, so we can use CPCT. By CPCT, BAO equals to CAO. Angle BO equal to angle CAO. BO and CAO. So, if these two angles are equal, means to say that AO is bisecting angle A in two parts. Therefore, AO is bisecting angle A in two equal instead AO is bisecting angle A, because bisecting means dividing in two equal halves. Now we are going to come on our next question. Now this is our second question, in which we have to show that AB equals to AC, means this side is this y and equal. And it is given that these two angles are equal, these two sides are 90 degree, and now we have to prove that these two sides are equal, means ABC is in an isosceles triangle. But we can only prove this by using congruence. Okay, so let's start. Firstly, this is point D, so we'll write AB equals to AC, given. Okay, I forgot to write in triangle ABD and ACD. Triangle ABD and triangle ACD. This is given. Now, angle ADB and angle ADC. And reason you will write both 90 degree. Wait. Both 90 degree. And what is left? AD equals to AD. because it is a common side. Common. Therefore, by SAS congruency, rule, triangle ABD congruent to triangle ACD. Now these two triangles have been made congruent. Now to prove these two equal, we will have to use CPCT. Therefore, by CPCT, AC equals to AB. Hence proved. Now we will come to our last and final question, which is question 3. So friends, now this is our last question. So if we see, we have to prove that BE equals to CF, means this altitude which is forming 90 degree here and this altitude which is forming 90 degree here are equal. We have to prove this. So what is given? It is given that these two sides are equal, these are 90 degree, and now we can only prove these congruent if we see these two triangles. We have to prove them congruent. So firstly, in triangle, name of triangle, AEB and AFC. AEB and triangle AFC. These two are the triangles. Now what things are equal? Firstly, see this 90 degree. These are 90 degree triangles, a right angle triangle. So 90 degree. What? Yes, angle AFC, AEB. Angle AEB equals to angle AFC. So these two angles are equal, and in bracket you will write both 90 degree. Okay, both 90 degree. Now what is given? This AB equals to AC. Given. Now at last, what is more given? Angle A is common. And here we write common. Therefore, this angle, and this side. Angle, side. Therefore, by AAS congruency, rule. Therefore, by AAS congruency rule, triangle AAB congruent to triangle AFC. Now, by CPCT, we can say that these two bases are also equal. BE equals to CS. Therefore, by CPCT, BE equals to CF. Hence proved. Now this video is end, and now in next video I'll continue with the 4th question. Until then, bye bye. See you all in the next class.